I lost 180 pounds on a meat-focused way of eating, and here's what I ate today. Can you see how foggy it is outside? I would imagine that if I were watching me over the next, what's today? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Over the next 6 days, I would be screaming at my phone, iPad, television, whatever you watch me on. I would imagine that I would be screaming at it because I logically know what I'm doing, okay? It's not pure ignorance. It's not pure ignorance. I mean, I knowingly drove on my way home and stopped and got something. So I'm just going to say that, over the next 6 days, I'll be screaming at me too. I did have some chips at Mom's house last night. I had quite a few nuts. And then you saw I had the brownie and the chocolate ice cream. I felt awful. Awful. I ended up having, and those nuts that I stopped and bought and that Christmas tree. It's funny. I have this memory in my head of how those Christmas candies taste. And I ended up throwing half of the Reese's Christmas tree away. It just didn't taste the same. And, yeah. Then I laid in bed and all the guilt and the shame and all that stuff came on. So the mental games are still there. And I understand that now. I understand. I'm not saying I'm following it. I'm just saying I do logically understand now that for me and my body, when I'm eating strict meat and I'm not eating bites of this and bites of that, my head is good. My head is clear. My head is not, let's try this, that, and the other. It's whenever I veer off a little bit that my brain starts firing and getting those dopamine receptors going. Anyway, feeling more like spring than winter. Christmas Day outlook in the app. Hang on with me. It's going to be a rough 6 days. But I do know, I am on that dadgum antibiotic. So whether it was from that, I had to take some Mylanta before I went to bed. So whether it was from that, whether it's from Mom's chili, whether it was from the beans, whether it's from corn chips. I even had 4 crackers. So what it was from, I couldn't tell you. But I mean, probably all of it combined was a bad combination, bad idea. But anyway, because I've had like a cupcake or, I wasn't nauseated, after our Christmas party, and I ate way worse than what I had last night. So it's got to be a combination of the antibiotic and the junk food. So anyway, all right, just like I said, bear with me. If you want to, if what I'm showing you triggers you, I suggest taking a break or watching some of my old videos. By the way, if you subscribe to my channel, you will get and you turn on the little notification, you'll get notified whenever I put up videos. Cause I have that for other people, all of y'all. Whenever you all put up videos, I get a notification that you put up a video. So if you turn that on, then you'll get notified when I get put up a video. But all that to say, if at this stage, what I'm doing is going to negatively impact you, do not come back and watch my new videos until they leave Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So Wednesday, that's my suggestion. Wednesday, the 31st? 30th, 31st. Look, I don't know what day of the week things are. I'm just saying the Wednesday after Christmas, that's when you need to pick up my channel. Because the next 6 days are going to be a roller coaster ride. So you're going to see me eat it. You're going to hear me complain about it. And you're going to hear me whining and crying, and it's my own fault. You know what I mean? So I'm just here to tell you, if these kind of videos are going to trigger you, I suggest that you just take a break from my channel until after Christmas. But I love you, and I will see you, because mom and my sister are going grocery shopping today. And so they're going to go out to eat. And I don't know where they're going to go eat. I mentioned Qdoba. So I don't know where they're going to go out to eat, but they're supposed to call me, and I'm going to go out to eat with them. So I'm going to go out to eat for lunch today. And then I'm going to go home, come home, let the dogs out, blah, blah, blah. And then go eat supper at mom's house. Now that's pulled pork, but, there's going to be some veggies, and there's going to be desserts and nuts and all that stuff around too. So just kind of giving you play-by-play. So today is eating lunch with the family out at a restaurant, and then going to mom's and having pulled pork. I wanted to show you all what it looks like out here. So today I think it's supposed to get up to 70 or 67, somewhere in there. But hang on, I want you to look at that. So the river is, I have to think about this. The river is that way. So, and we're probably, I'd say a half mile, probably about a mile up from the river. So that direction is the river. But this is that field and here's my picnic table that we used to sit at. Well, we'll come back to it when it's like this temperature and I bring my lunch. But look at that. Isn't that so wild? Look at that tree. Wow. It's neat seeing it now. Look, it's almost like it's two trees together. Check that out, guys. There's so much. I wish I liked outside. There's so much weirdness with nature. But look, it's something connected to... Oh, hang on. Let me zoom out. Sorry. There's something that connected to there. And now it's grown. But you can obviously tell it's two different trees. You know what I mean? The bark's different. But check that out. And it goes all the way up. It's almost like it's a vine of sorts. Or I should say it goes up to there and there and there. Ain't that fascinating? We didn't see that whenever. Well, I didn't see that whenever, I wonder if it is a vine. Hang on. I don't know about this stuff. I don't know about this stuff. I mean, it's obviously something. Huh. It goes up. It looks like a big old snake, don't it? Like a big old barracuda, no python. Ooh, I'm getting dripped on. Now, I'm a delicate flower. I'm going to be getting wet out here. But anyway, I just had to show you that it's foggy outside, guys. It's foggy, but it's pretty. So I am here. The family is still in the mall. So I'm going to go ahead and get my food and start eating, and they'll show up when they get here. But I'm not going to talk. You'll just hear me talking to the people. No rice. I'm going to do double ground beef, please. Yes. I'm sorry. Yeah, definitely. Queso, fajitas. Mild, please. Maybe a little bit of black beans, just a little. Perfect, thank you. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna do the corn, some of the pico, I'm gonna do a little bit of the roasted tomato salsa. And then guacamole, pickled red onions, and some, let's cotija cheese. Okay, I'll do the shredded cheese and some sour cream. Sour cream, please. Okay, so hopefully you heard everything I said that I got on there. And look how big that is. Yes, I know. Shut up. That was so fun. It's kind of neat, leaving work and for a little bit and just kind of spending some time with the family and laughing and cutting up. And oh my gosh, them boys are grown. I don't know. I think they're like 29 and 26, maybe. I don't know, 27. I need to ask them. They tell me, but I forget. The oldest one was born, I think, in 1998, because it was the year I got married. 98, 08, 18, 28, 765. No. So I guess the oldest one's 27. And my niece and him are about 5 months apart. So when she comes down, if she's able to come down and get off work. So the two oldest will be 27. Then Cameron is, I think, 25. And Josh would just turn 26. I don't know. Anyway, they're all in their mid to late 20s. That's what I know. All right, time to get back to work. Bye. So this is how things are going down. Is that pork loin? It's pork something. We don't know. Judy bought it. That's Joshua John.
What's up, people?
There's Nicholas and Judith Ann. Yeah. So we haven't set our table. We're busy cooking. Yes, I'm eating some nuts. Shut up, people. But I steamed some broccoli and I got some more in there. So we're about to eat some really good stuff. Okay, bye. Okay, I got pulled pork, sweet potatoes, and broccoli. And that's what I'm eating right now.
About those diets?
Yep.
What?
There you go.
I've been all those
There you go.
diets.
There you go. There
Yeah.
you go. Oh, yeah. And I'm eating a cinnamon roll. And that is a wrap. That's how my day went. I'm going to catch them in case the lights go out again. Yep. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow, the family's coming over to my house. And then we've got three or four more that's coming to town tomorrow. And we're having some kind of taco enchilada, something or another, that my sister's going to make. So that's the game plan. So, all right. I love y'all. Keeping you in the loop. You know, I had the cinnamon roll and I had a few nuts. You know, it's funny. I tried to have some M&Ms. Not good. So cinnamon roll was just fine. But the M&Ms is like, it tasted like semi-sweet chocolate. Not good. So I had a handful of them. I ate two and I'm like, nope, put the handful back. So that's progress. At least I listened and didn't waste them. And, you know, just shovel them in for no reason. All right. Anyway, yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.